should conduct ourselves in relation to this potential diplomatic protagonist. Ito din isang ano natin, no? Ito yung exclusive economic zone natin. Ito yung Kalayaan Island Group as defined by PD 1596. Itong broken line na ito. Ito naman yung Republic Act 5446. Yung baseline natin according to Republic Act 5446. Now, the territorial sea line of China, ito ang di ba makakila na yun? Yung Scarborough Shoal, ito Scarborough Shoal. Yung territorial sea line ng China is between Scarborough Shoal and Zambales. From Taiwan, dito banda, no? Roughly around 50 nautical miles from the shoreline of Zambales and Ilocos Norte. So ito. And then it is inside, andito banda yung Mischief Reef, this Mischief Reef. The territorial sea line of China is here, up to here, up to the Natuna area, and then it goes up along the coastline of Vietnam, up to Hainan, hanggang dito sa boundary nila. This was the declaration in 1992. So, ang sinasabi nila, territorial sea, kanila ito. They have sovereignty. Remember, ang ating exclusive economic zone nandito. Ito ang strat list. Most of the strat list is within our exclusive economic zone. And under UNCLOS, we have sovereign rights over the exploitation of natural resources within our exclusive economic zone. And if we do not defend that, if we accept the proposal that these islands under the Kalayaan Island Group should just be regime of islands, then what will happen, ito yung regime of islands, no? Island natin yan. But this sea is going to be territorial sea of China. In other words, for us to go to our regime of islands, we will be crossing the territorial sea of China, which to me is conceptually unacceptable if we follow the regime of islands proposal of the executive of Malacanang, of DFA, and the Marcos bill. Pero